Hi there, thank you so much for joining me today. I have the last update before my finale for my Partners in Cream project pan for 2020. This was created by DaLin and Steph. Thank you again for inviting me to be a part of this project. I'm having so much fun. I'm really excited to do this again next year as well. I have 4 products to talk about, and I'm going to start with the product that has the least amount of progress, and that is the mineral lotion from Australian Gold. It's a mineral sunscreen and it's SPF 50. And I do like this sunscreen, but I think this is much more appropriate for the warmer months. In the winter, my skin is drier. I don't get as oily throughout the day, and because this is a slightly more drying type of formula, I don't think that this is the best time of year to wear this. I didn't realize that until I used it a couple more times after the project started, and I don't have any progress to show in the photo. I did use 2.5 grams since my update, which is progress, but I actually don't think I'm going to wear this anymore this year. I think I'm going to wait until the warmer months come, and I'm just going to go through some of the other sunscreens that I have in my collection. I have a couple minis and some other ones that are almost finished, not worth putting in the project. So I'm actually taking this out, and so technically I only have 3 things to share with you in the finale. I think originally this project was supposed to be just like 3 to 6 products, so I am right in the range anyway, but it's just funny, I don't think I've ever done a project pan with so few items before. It just doesn't seem like it's worth bringing in any new ones since the finale is next month. The one that has the most progress is the Skindinavia Bridal Makeup Finishing Spray. There isn't a lot in here. I think maybe 1 or 2 more uses and this will be empty actually. And over the past month I've used 17.75 grams. Because I do still have a month and a half left in 2020, you will definitely see this empty in my end of the year makeup empties. My next product is a fragrance. It's from Flower Beauty. It's the Pretty Deadly Lethal Oleander fragrance. I don't think that they sell this anymore on the Flower Beauty website, which is a shame. I know they had another perfume in a different scent. I don't think that one's available either. I think they phased all of their body mists and perfumes out, which is a shame. Over the past month, I've used 8.15 grams, and I have made steady progress. Definitely won't have it done by the end of the finale, but it will be very close and most likely an empty that I'll share in a few months' time. And my very last product is a Just a Tint lip product from Colourpop. This is in the shade The Strand. I'm pleasantly surprised with my progress for this one. It takes me a long time to go through lip products, and over the past month I've used 0.3 grams. You'll definitely be able to see a difference in the photos. I did go through quite a bit of product. Once again, I don't think this will be done by the end of the project, but I am glad to be making really good progress on this. Maybe I'll put it in my Partners in Cream project next year, and you'll see me finish it through that. This is probably one of the shortest videos I've ever done in the history of my channel, but I really only had a couple things to share with you, and some of them didn't really have any progress at all, so that's to be expected, I guess. Hopefully I'll have at least 1 empty to share with you in my finale, but in the meantime, that's everything I have. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!